Happy July 4th weekend. That's right, it's here. Today is Saturday, tomorrow is July 4th. I hope you're having a great time spending some quality time with your family or friends, or maybe even out there metal detecting. Yeah, digging some holes. I wanted to tell you about the new t-shirt. I just got this in yesterday, and I'm dying to give one away tomorrow on July 4th. So this is a quick video. If you want to win this t-shirt, all you got to do is subscribe to the channel, and you've got to leave a comment that says Happy 4th. That's it, Happy 4th, 2 words, and subscribe to the channel. Let me tell you a little bit about the t-shirt. This is a high quality t-shirt. I paid a lot more for this than I did, just a regular t-shirt. This is called the Next Level. And if you see that design, that is not a screen print. That is actually infused into the material. What does that mean? That means you can wash and wear this for years to come, and it's not gonna crack, fade. It's gonna look awesome. And if you want this t-shirt right now, this is only for today, you have got to subscribe and leave that comment, Happy 4th. So today is Saturday. I'm gonna let this run throughout the night, and tomorrow morning, Sunday, July 4th, I'm gonna jump on there and do that random drawing and pick a winner. Hopefully it's you. Thanks for watching again. Have a great 4th of July weekend, and tomorrow we're gonna give it away.